Okay, so I saved these two front sections for last. I did not want to have the wig on my head and be trying to straighten it at the same time. Been there, done that before. It's a little exhausting. So the back looks like, as you can see, there is still some of the texture there, which is all fine. But what I found is the key to getting these type of textures like silky straight is to go in sections, use the highest heat that your flat iron comes on, and just take your time. It's a little time consuming, but the result is well worth it. So I'm glad I did majority of the prep work on the mannequin head and not on myself, because I probably would not have got it this straight, because I would have gotten tired and just kind of rushed through the process. So just take your time. Then of course you got to use the chase method. There is no other way to do this and get a flawless result without doing the chase method with the comb, because even if you press it out as good as you can, like I said, some of the texture is still going to be there, which is fine, but chasing it with the comb just makes a world of a difference as well. And I've only went over each section no more than twice, like some sections even just once, because it's really not necessary. I got my flat iron. This is the Babyless Pro. These are awesome. I got mine on the highest heat, so it's definitely doing what I need it to do. So now that the wig is on my head, I'm actually realizing that I could have went in and plucked it just a little bit more. When it was on the mannequin head, I thought that I had plucked enough, but that's okay. The next time that I take this off and put it back on again, I'll just go in and do some additional plucking. I am going to just cut the lace off. Okay, just as I kind of figured, I don't really need to do anything to this wig. Like, it can be worn completely glueless, no product, no bolt hold, no spray. Y'all can't tell me this don't look good. I mean, these wigs always look good, give or take. I've never seen this type of natural hair texture inspired wig look literally bad on anybody. And sometimes you can even go the extra mile because they are textured and curl them. I've done that before with this hair texture, so if you guys want to see what that looks like, I'll link that video down below. So you don't have to be obligated to just wear it either in its natural state blown out or even, you know, fully pressed out. You can curl it. Now all kinky straight Yaki straight hair is not going to do that, but the majority of it will. Anyways, like I said, this hair is from Arabella Hair. This is their 4x4 HD lace closure wig. Now on the website it does say that this is kinky straight, but then in the description it also mentions the word Yaki straight. So honestly, I don't really know which one it is. We're just going to go ahead and go with kinky straight since that's the first one that is listed. You wouldn't really even be able to tell that this is only a 4x4 closure. It pretty much looks like a 5x5, honestly, because it goes from the same, you know, area as just a regular closure wig. So it looks a little bit bigger than what it is, which is always a good thing. The length that I have it in is 26 inches and the density on it is 180% density. Now normally when I get these types of wigs, I like to go down in density, like 130, 150. However, because I do have it in more of like a longer length, I decided to go ahead and get 180, and honestly it's just perfect. I think if I would have got it in anything lower, then it would have been a little bit on the thin side considering what length it is. As I mentioned, this wig is fairly affordable. It's very reasonable. It's only $230, and that's, you know, gonna probably be even a little bit lower depending on if they're having like any sales or coupon codes on their website. So when you guys go on these hair companies' website, make sure that you like pay attention to the homepage, because a lot of times they do have like little coupon codes for you to use. So make sure that you don't miss that. But even if there is no coupon available at the time that you get it, $230 is not that bad at all for this type of closure wig, because it is HD lace and it is a kinky texture and it's 26 inches. Now if it was 26 inches and they wanted like $300 for it, I would kind of be like, it's okay. But $230, like I said, that's give or take. The lace on this wig is flawless. The shedding with the hair is about average. I haven't got any tangling with this hair. It's fairly easy to blow it out, brush it out, detangle it, all that good stuff, as long as you're using like a wide tooth comb or like a Denman brush. Either of those two will help you get the job done, so you won't have any issues with that. Now as far as customization, the only thing that I did was I went in and bleached the knots. Like I mentioned, I did pluck the hairline just a little bit, and that was that. All you guys see me do was straighten it, and that's pretty much it. It's super easy, super quick to install. It's a beautiful texture. Like I said, this is a texture that literally looks good on everybody. Like I mentioned, the only thing I'm going to do differently when I take it off is go in and pluck the hairline just a tiny bit more, but it looks, you know, pretty decent for now. I just know that I can go on and do just a little bit something better with that without doing too much. Another good wig in the books. So if you like this texture and you're interested in getting this, link will be down below in my description box. If I missed anything or you guys have any further questions, then feel free to leave it down below. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.